So, can you make a professional YouTube video just using your phone? Let's find out. So the first thing you're going to want to get is this. It is a wireless lavalier mic called Boya, which is from Amazon. It's about $40, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I've just found this myself, and all you do, this is the receiver. It comes in either USB-C for Android or iPhones, and it also comes in Lightning for older iPhones, and you can just plug it straight into the bottom. That will automatically connect now, and then boom, your audio is now coming out of here, and as you can hear, you have much better audio quality. So for $40 you can get a nice microphone for your phone and then use that to make great videos. So can you make videos out of your iPhone or any mobile phone for that matter? I've had a lot of comments about this. A lot of people saying, well, you say it's easy just to get started with your phone, but here you are with your professional camera setup and your lighting and everything else. Yes, that's true, because I've saved over a number of years or months to get that equipment, and then I've leveled up my video and audio with it. And I have a professional studio microphone here, which is not on right now, and I have a professional camera and I have good lighting. But you can just get started with your phone, and I tell a lot of people that that's what you can do. So here we are. This video is made on the iPhone 15 Pro on the selfie camera facing forward with a $40 lav mic that I just found on Amazon, and now I'm recording with it. So if you're wondering, can I get started on YouTube with a phone? Yes, you can. You don't need any professional gear to do it. Obviously, it looks better if you have professional gear. It sounds better if you have professional gear, and it just makes your video quality and audio quality seem much better. But you can just get started with this. There are millions of creators out there that are getting started with just the basic gear. People like Sam Sulek. If you don't know who he is, look him up. He is a guy that literally makes videos of him vlogging by himself, unedited, in his car and on his way to his workout, talking about how he's feeling for the day. And then he goes into the gym and records an entire workout. His videos are sometimes an hour long of just raw, unedited footage that he's recorded on something like a smartphone. And then he just goes and uploads it to YouTube. That is how you can get started. The issue is that you're used to watching creators like Mr. Beast and all of these professional people that have got $10,000 studios, and you're looking at them thinking, my God, I need to have all this professional gear, and then I need to have all the fast B-roll cuts and B-roll edits that everyone has in order to make great footage and great videos. You don't need any of that. This video that I'm making right now, as I've said, is on an iPhone 15 Pro with a $40 mic that is plugged into the camera. The only lighting I've got is my background Govee lighting in the background. That's it. That's all that's turned on right now. And this is unedited, just uploaded, just to show you that it can be done. Can you make a YouTube video with a phone? Yes, you can. So if that's what's stopping you, if you're thinking you haven't got the gear right now and you haven't got all the right equipment and everything else, you don't need it. Just get a microphone. You don't even need the microphone. But obviously it makes your audio sound a lot better. For the price, you can't really argue with it. It's amazing. But if you don't need that, then just use your phone. You don't, just get started and then upload it on the YouTube Studio app. That is all you need. And then you can have Canva mobile or some sort of mobile thumbnail editing app and make your thumbnail on your mobile and then upload it. That is all you need in order to get started making YouTube videos. So if you're thinking that you want to get started but you can't because you haven't got the right gear, what more evidence do you need? Now, the issue here with the selfie camera is that it's not as good quality as the camera on the rear. Now, a little life hack for you. If you've got an iPad, then you can screen mirror your phone to your iPad. And you could have your iPad sitting next to you, and you could make sure that you've got so if you use the rear cameras, which are obviously the best cameras, then you can screen mirror onto your iPad, which is sitting next to you, and you can then have your camera directly mirrored, so you can just quickly glance over and make sure you're in focus, you're framed correctly, and all that sort of thing. But the problem is I don't have an iPad, so I'm just recording on the selfie camera in its very most basic form. If you want to get started on YouTube, people, this is how you do it. Just get on your phone, just get a microphone and get started making videos. And if you want help getting started making videos, then I've released a brand new program which the spaces are actually filling up quite quickly, more quickly than I'd anticipated. So if you're interested in that, click on the link up here or in the description to register your interest for that program. And I will get back to you really quickly because spaces are filling up and I want to make sure that we get people into it. This is going to be a complete YouTube growth program. It's going to help you, whether you've not got started yet, you haven't even got a channel, to whether you've got 100, 500, even 1,000 subscribers, it doesn't matter. This is going to help you growing and building an audience that's defined right down to your niche and your target client, so we can help you start getting money straight away rather than waiting for Google AdSense to give you $10 a month. So if that's what you want, then click the link in the description below. Otherwise, get started making videos. Let's go.